All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. What amazing, awesome, just incredible day it is today. And I just want to welcome you back to the Family Reset, our daily steps, hey, to strengthen unity. And today I want to talk about, or let's talk about one of the most impactful ways to influence our families, and it's leading by example. So we are day 34, the power of leading by example. So actions speak louder than words. Titus 2:7 says, in everything set them an example by doing what is good. Your family watches how you handle stress, how you treat others, and how you live out your faith. If we want our homes to be filled with love, respect, faith, we have to model those values first. And so today, here's your challenge. This is what I'm challenging you to do. Pick one action to model for your family. Be intentional. Maybe it's patience when things get frustrating, kindness when it's not easy, or prayer when challenges arise. Show them, don't just tell them. So true leadership starts at home. So let's reset by being the example we want to see in our families. We'll see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. Don't forget, leadership is everything, and people will follow your lead if your leadership is a great example. We'll talk to you tomorrow.